Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be diving into the world of digital marketing with a focus on Semrush. So first of all, what is Semrush? Well, Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that provides a wide range of tools and features to help you optimize your online presence and of course stay ahead of the competition. One of Semrush's key features is its powerful keyword research tool. With Semrush, you can identify high-value keywords for your content and advertising campaigns, helping you attract more organic traffic and of course reach your target audience more effectively. So another standout feature of Semrush is its competitor analysis tools. You see, with Semrush, you can spy on your competitors' online activities, analyze their strategies, and of course uncover valuable insights to inform your own marketing efforts. Plus, Semrush offers social media management tools, content marketing features, and more, making it a one-stop shop for all your digital marketing needs. So basically, that was a brief overview of Semrush and what it can do for you. Next, we'll dive deeper into some of Semrush's key features and how to do competitor analysis in Semrush in 2024. To do so, we will be leveraging the powerful Semrush tool to unravel your competitors' content strategies. And before we dive in, I will assume you have an account already set up, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free trial and follow along. So to get started, you would need to navigate to the domain overview section in Semrush. Here you will be able to gain invaluable insights into your competitor's website at a glance. And for our demonstration, we will be examining a competitive website. So Semrush reveals key metrics such as page authority, estimated organic search traffic, and of course backlink profile strength. These metrics provide crucial intel on your competitor's online footprint. Now let's shift our focus to organic research, where we can dissect our competitors' top performing pages by examining their content. We will be able to uncover the secrets behind their success. So for instance, most websites excel in ranking for certain topics, such as the one you see right here on the page, and even more. Being able to analyze these pages will reveal a winning formula. Factors like comprehensive content, engaging visuals, and impeccable on-page SEO go a long way in boosting their rankings on these topics. So exploring their backlink profiles sheds light on the authoritative domains linking to their content. Backlinks play a pivotal role in search engine rankings, and in dissecting your competitor's link profile can inspire your own link building strategies. Now let's delve into keyword research. So by studying the keywords your competitor ranks for, you will be able to uncover lucrative opportunities to target similar terms in your content strategy. By using things like filters for low competition keywords, you will be able to identify low ranking terms which are suitable for targeting. So in conclusion, mastering competitor analysis with Semrush is key to gaining a competitive edge in the digital landscape. By reverse engineering your competitors' strategies, you will be able to unlock valuable insights that will inform your own marketing efforts. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to this channel for more tips, insights and tutorials. And I'll see you in another video.